To enable or disable auto screen calls on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first we need to go to the phone app. Once we open the phone app, here in the upper right corner, you should be able to find these three dots. So we're going to tap on them and then go to settings. You might also be able to find these dots slightly below. In here, we're going to go to call screening, and we need to make sure that call screening is enabled if you want to use auto screen calls. Here we have auto screen calls option, so we can now enable or disable it quite easily. You might also need to turn on caller ID and spam protection to be able to use it, so let's do so. There we go. And besides that, you can tap on auto screen calls option to decide if the automatic screen calls feature should be used only when suspected spam or scam calls are trying to reach us, or if it should be just for unknown callers. Over here we also have a little description explaining these two options, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.